Amboseli is known as the best place in Africa for getting up close to the free-ranging elephants. And so no doubt that this park is the second most popular in Kenya after Masai Mara. 392 square kilometers northwest of Mount Kilimanjaro on the Kenya-Tanzania border, host to more than 1800 African elephants. You are right, the elephant is the iconic symbol of Africa's wildlife. It is a gift of nature that elephant's brain is 3 times the size of a human brain with 5 times as many neurons. So, the elephant thinks, feel and have the same ability as humans to make considered decisions and follow split-second instincts. Yes, like us, elephants are true multitaskers. Their trunk is used for smelling, breathing, detecting vibrations, caressing their young, sucking up water and grasping objects. And their tusk is also used for digging, foraging and fighting. And their large ears, they increase the surface area which help radiate excess heat under the harsh African sun. The elephant uses its ears in conjunction with the soles of their feet and trunk to hear sounds over long distances, even 4 kilometers away. They communicate through low-frequency sounds called rumbling and are capable of producing and perceiving sounds 1 to 2 octaves lower than the human hearing limit. So are we relating to the elephants? Yes, the other very human qualities are their great capacity for compassion as they care for the wounded and grieve the diseased. They have a developed sense of memory, not only to remember lost loved ones, but also to harbor grudges and recognize lost friends. And now, their family life. Elephants rely on a social network for survival, and the sustaining unit is a herd of mothers and their young sisters, female cousins, led by an older matriarch. Male elephants are known to leave their group at puberty and form alliances with other males. Yes, they roam the rangeland alone and form bachelor herds. The adult male and female elephants live in different social worlds. A complex network of bonds between individuals and families characterize the lives of females and their offspring, while fluctuating sexual cycles distinguish the dynamic activities of the males. And now let us look at leadership. Elephants are led by female leaders, and it is she, the individual to whom others orient, whose sudden change in activity they note, and whose leadership they turn to a moment of crisis. And yes, some elephants are born natural leaders, and they begin to display their abilities at an early stage. Friends, the most successful elephants seem to be confident, well-connected individuals who are able to command the respect of others, both through their wisdom and charisma. Friends, this amazing land of African elephants has got 2 good hotels and beautiful connectivity with Nairobi. It is a place of scenic beauty studded with wildlife. Wildlife everywhere, everywhere and everywhere. There is indeed much to appreciate at Amboseli, with its great variety of wildlife and landscapes, plus the elephants, and of course Mount Kilimanjaro overlooking it all.